Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you what we bought during our grocery shopping. So that's simply it. So let's get started, and before we go ahead and show you what I bought, if you're new here, kindly subscribe, like the video, and let's jump into it. So we're going to start here. These are the carrots. We bought carrots. We bought tomatoes, and it's been a while since we bought tomatoes. I'll be telling you why. So this is our first time for several months that we've not bought tomatoes. We bought coriander. Same case, we've not been buying coriander. And we have lemon right there. We have pili pili hoho. We have some avocado. For the avocado, we always buy the unripe one. We have some garlic, ginger, some onions. This ya vitunguu is not that friendly. The price hike vibaya sana. Another thing that we bought were beans. We have the yellow beans 1 kg and the red beans 1 kg. Then right here we have mishiri. For the mishiri, we always cook them as a vegetable option when we're cooking some rice. And also when we are doing fried rice. The other thing that we bought was those minji. So that's basically what we bought from the market, local market specifically. And before I forget, we also bought some potatoes. Right there, the bucket of potatoes zimepanda tena, but still at a friendly price. Next, we are going to what we bought from the supermarket. We shopped from our Star supermarket. So we bought bar soap, some soda, salt, coconut powder. Mostly use it for when cooking rice, not beans. We bought Royco, the powder, and we bought Royco. We bought some Weetabix. Next thing that we bought was spaghetti and sugar, 2 kgs. The other thing that we bought was Indomie. It was specifically for me. It's been a minute since I ate Indomie, so I decided to buy some. And right here we have a box of this. So that's what we bought specifically from the supermarket. I'm going to show you what we bought from the wholesale shop. So what we did some bulk shopping. For this is going to last us, I think, up to January. So the other bits of the things that we bought were these. Okay, so right here we have 25 kg of long grain. We have these tissues. We bought 10 rolls. Those are 40 pieces of tissue. These right here and these. Yeah. And right behind the tissue we have 10 liters of cooking oil. Yeah. Right there. And right here we have maize flour. So for the maize flour, we bought it from the supermarket because the wholesale shop didn't have Jogo, and that is the brand that we wanted. Yeah, so we just picked 12 packets, that is one bundle of maize flour from the supermarket. Yeah. And down there we have Ajab baking flour. Yes, and that's everything that was bought from the wholesale shop.